Welcome to the in front of me Honor X7, and I'll show you how to customize Always On Display feature on this device. So first, let's just open the application one more time. And for example, now I have selected this theme. We can use the first one. Just to apply the theme, we should click on the right down corner to apply. We can change also the theme backgrounds here. For example, let's use this one. Click apply here. We can change here the music controls time, shown time, just from 10 seconds to an hour. We can also turn on or turn off the notifications from different apps to show the date, change shown time of the battery, always while device charging, never, or just to show it always. Let's just click here to the 6 icon and switch AOD to the settings. Now let's select Always On Display again, and here we can change shown AOD on lock screen feature. We can show it always while device charging and one will play the music. We can also use this to feature separately. We can switch screen timeout from 1 minute just to an hour. We can decrease or increase the brightness level here, and we can also here turn off the close the AOD feature by single or by double tap to the home screen, to the lock screen, sorry. Also, if you use the fingerprint, you can close also AOD with the fingerprint on screen off mode. Also, you can set the shadow, the start and the end time of the Always On Display, and you can also disable the Always On Display feature during the calls. And that's it. So that's how to customize Always On Display feature on our Honor device. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.